good morning, good evening. Uy, gising pa kayo. Salamat sa pag-click, panonood. Ang gagawin po namin guys, first time namin ni Mr. itong magluto ng sweet potato casserole. Kasi bumili siya ng anim na potato. So, gawin natin siyang casserole. First time namin po ito guys. So, hinugasan ko lang siya ng maigi. And then, bago niyan, hindi ko siya binuboil. Kasi sabi pa na Laura Vitale, kapag i-boil mo daw yan, mawawala yung parang lasa ng sweet potato o diba yam or kamote. So ang ginagawa ko is tinutuslok-tuslok, tinutuslok ko siya, parang naglagay ako ng opener, dinlagay ko siya sa oven, over 1 hour po yan guys. So ngayon luto na siya. Ang ginagawa namin, kinuha namin yung panit, yung skin. Kinuha namin yung nasa loob and then itapon yung skin guys. Para naman, alam nyo na, pangit kainin yung skin kapag mga ganitong Dalhin kasi namin ito sa Thanksgiving party, which is tapos na yung Thanksgiving. Lit na lang ito na upload. So tinulungan ko lang si Mr. para hindi siya magkalisod kasi nahirapan siya dyan kasi alam nyo na kahit over an hour to siya nilagay sa oven, matigas pa rin siya yung iba. So kaya nahirapan si Mr. Yun, nahirapan din akong nag-smush ng ating sweet potato. Ng asawa ko guys, sabi pa ni Tami, i-blender ko daw siya, pero sabi ko hindi na kasi ang nakita ko kasi sa YouTube hindi niya biniblend. Lower talaga ako guys kasi kung ano yung sinasabi sa YouTube, yung mga tinitignan kong mga recipe, talagang kinakopy ko siya kahit sa mga ganitong bagay. So, at saka masarap din naman ganito. Pangit din kasi mag-blend o parang siyang logaw. O diba? So, ito na. Marami pala yung 6 na kamote. Ang dami. So, sabi pa ni Tami baka kulang. Pero no, ang dami. Anyway guys, first time pala namin itong gawin. This is Tami's first time and I first time. So, we're just kind of like watching Laura Vitale. Laura Vitale is the best for like Italian stuff.
Sweet potato casserole is not really an Italian dish.
I know, but if you follow her thing, that's how I learned some of stuff from her. Simple thing that I use.
You guys, I learned by trial and error.
Trial and error, and then people were wasting money and people won't eat it, so we throw it out.
My stuff always comes out good. Everybody likes what I cook.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Is that true? Is that a lie? Oh, tell people, is it true or not? Is it true?
Sometimes it's not perfect, honey. Sometimes it's like too much vinegar, too much this, too much.
Huh?
Especially.
Do people like what I make or not?
I'm not saying.
Seriously? No, say, guys.
He's upset. Hey, you cannot do that, and I need to crush that.
I know you're gonna crush it.
Pecans.
You don't crush the whole bag.
Yuy! Hindi nagustuhan ni Tami yung sinabi ko na yung mga niluluto na trial and error pero walang magkagusto. Hindi nagustuhan yung sinabi ko. But anyway guys, ito na yung pecans. Ito na yung food processor yung gamit ko para naman hindi siya tawag nun, buo, diba? So this is all like 5, look, almost 6 pound. And this is the, what is this? Pecan. And what is this? Butter. Whole thing. How do you call that? 1 cup?
Half cup.
Half cup of butter.
We need more than that, but
yeah, we need more than that.
yeah, according to her screenshot, where's your screenshot?
That's right. And
6 eggs.
6 eggs.
Half cup milk, half cup of unsalted butter melted.
So this is the sugar, white and brown. So this is it. Pansit naman good niya.
Gonna mix that in.
Okay, you have to add salt. A little bit of salt.
Very little bit of salt.
Very little, only for like baking taste. Okay, that's it. Wait, that's it. And then butter. So
She said the butter is not liquid. You gotta put like semi-melted.
okay, but listen to me. Is that enough? That's enough, right?
That's what she says.
Yes. Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, butter. Oh my God, this is just
Oh, spoon.
spoon. So it's half cup of milky. You'll have. So there you go. And after that, mix it. I'll mix it myself. I still have over there. Sa totoo lang, nagkagulo kami ni Tami. Ganito naman kami bago kasi kami guys. Pero simple lang pala ito gawin. Grabe, ang bilis lang. Nilagay na namin yung egg guys. 6 eggs po. This is kind of like weird. Too much egg.
One less than she asked for.
Ha?
One less than she said.
To be honest with you guys, naninibago kami ni Tami. Lalo na ako sa mga ganitong luto, mga American style guys. Hindi ako sanay. So yun guys, ang ginawa namin is mayroong 3/4 na, ano ito, toppings. 3/4 na, oh my god, ang hirap magluto ng ano, kasama mo ano. Parehas hindi marunong magluto. 3/4 of sugar, and then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. Okay, 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You sure? I know 6 tablespoons of butter. You sure it was 6 tablespoons of flour also?
Yeah. I'll make 6 whatever. So how many? How do you know how many of tablespoons is that?
See inside your wrapper?
Okay. So this is butter. What is the butter?
6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons.
It's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Wait for a little butter to be in there.
The butter is here, right?
Oh, I've got way more butter to do.
Okay. Why she put flour in it?
Thickens it up.
Okay. So guys, this is the first time Tami and I did this. We're like helping each other. Helping each other. Yes, love, I know. That's why I watch Laura Vitale. And I cannot do, alam nyo guys, I cannot follow instruction when it's just reading. I like follow instruction when somebody really doing it. Tami is different.
I like to read it.
Tami's reading, me is like actual, like watching it. Watching a video. So, you know, we're different people.
Oh, the pan is big enough now.
No, fine. So,
I'm going to, if you wanted to, you could pop a pinch of cinnamon in here. I'm
I
not
wanna do
going
that.
to
No,
because sweet potato
don't.
casserole around here are
so I have to just, kailangan lang siyang, it's kind of like this, right?
Yeah.
Sabihin na naman ng iba, ginamit mo yung kamay mo, hindi ka man naghugas ako ng kamay, guys. Yes, guys, we're using hand because she's using her hand too. Halahan, this is a lot, Han. You know why? Because she supposedly have a long tray.
Well, okay, so this is a shorter tray, but this is the only one we got. Otherwise, we could use a big giant tray. I don't do that.
I want to put more butter. Butter.
Do you have it still on?
I know. What is the preheated thing? What is
350, I think she said.
350? Oh my God. So ngayon guys, the pecans ilagay na natin sa ibabaw.
Oh, it's turkeys.
Huh? Oh, there's a lot of turkeys. Like that. Like that. Not too much kasi. Not too much is not good. And then we bake it out. It's 30 minutes, right? Hala. Did I told you that you cannot eat peanuts and then kiss the baby? Guys, anyway, so kung magluluto kayo sa mga party guys, make sure yung mga bata na alam ninyo na walang allergy sa mga peanuts. So yun, tikman na ni Tami. Like this shirt.
You like it when you go into the store. The premium one you like, this one you don't want.
Oh my God, it's still sweet, huh?
It's too what?
Very sweet.
No reason to carry.
So this is it, guys. It is done and we taste it. It's good. So now my husband is tasting it. Eat the walnuts or whatever is that. Pecan nut. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I like pralines better, but
Masarap pala siya, guys. Masarap siya. Minix ko siya ng maigi. Tinikman ko ulit. Masarap siya. And then, nagustuhan ng mga pamilya ni Tami. And I guess this is it, guys. So we're gonna bring this tomorrow to my sister-in-law. And tomorrow, we're gonna put how do you call this? marshmallow on top and over there. So we have to preheat it over there and then 5 to 7 minutes for the marshmallow. 5 to 7. So yan. That's it. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye-bye, love.
Bye guys. You know when marshmallows burn.
Yeah. So anyway, so yun lang. Bye. Thank you for watching.